Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. It's like 6, 7 in the morning. Today we're gonna be doing a bed truck cover install on the truck. I got the soft tonneau cover. So got this box here. I've been wanting to put a cover on the truck. I got this from Amazon, guys. It was like $100. Comes with a sealer or gas weather strip sealer, so the it could be waterproof inside the truck bed. Some parts you're supposed to have, I guess, the manual instruction, and then you got your two-sided piece. Again, I have the 2020 XLT F150 model, guys. My truck bed size is about 5.5, and this is, it depends what kind of truck you guys get. You want to make sure you get the right length, the right size for the bed. And then this is the tonneau cover, guys. Again, this is a soft tonneau cover. I went with the soft tonneau cover, guys, so I am able to still use the whole truck cover, the whole truck bed, because I have a whole lot of stuff in it, like my go-kart, scooter. Alright, guys, this is what comes with the package. This is everything. You got your weather seal strip for the front, for the back of the bed, and then you got of course, your cover, your soft cover, and then you got your two rails, where these two, they go on the sides of the bed, left and right. This is where it's got Velcro. This is where your soft cover is gonna lay on, and then another weather strip for the bed, and then your tools you need, more stickers, and then it also come with a light. What the heck? What is that? It comes with this LED. Alright, guys, so first things first, you gotta clean the bulkhead, and you're right here. You gotta clean this piece here with soap, water, or what I'm using is just rubbing alcohol to remove dirt and debris and grease, whatever. Also clean this rail here, so this piece here can sit on there. Yeah, you want to clean the bulkhead and the rail, guys, so that the weather seal here can have a good solid clean surface to stick to it. Because if it's dirty, it's not gonna stick to the surface, guys, and then you won't have a weatherproof seal. All right, guys, so I got the weather strip on there. It should look something like this, guys. You know, just have it along the edge, nice, cut to the right length all the way to this plastic piece. Once you got your weather seal strip installed up along this bulkhead, guys, you want to go ahead and take one of your reels. Don't matter which side you start on. You want to take this and push it up against this here, guys. This here, you want to make sure it's fully flushed with the thingy. I don't know what you call this, but make sure it's all the way pushed in there for good weather seal, and then tighten this back up. All right, guys, that right there, the weather seal and your tonneau cover should give you a good solid waterproof seal, you know, where water can't get through. Now it's time to put the clamps, guys, on the sides, on the rails. You get 6 of these, 3 on each side. When you put these guys on there, you don't wanna tighten them all the way down. You gotta put them on there loosely. That way you could move the rail around and to, you know, the perfect spot. So this is how you put these guys on there, guys. You're gonna need to unscrew this all the way, because you're not gonna be able to put this on there by itself, and you want to put it on there loosely so you can move it around, guys, you know. And then you get 3 on each side. You want to have one on the end and also on the other end, and one in the middle. So I got it all set up and put up and lined up and everything. Yeah, you just want to make sure you got everything lined up and squared, and pretty much like even out. What you do on the left side, you do on the right side. Make sure everything's even. So yeah, I got this corner here flush to this corner, and then same thing on this side is flush, because if you don't, the cover is gonna be off when you try to close it, and sometimes it won't even lock, guys. So that's the main thing here, is get everything lined up evenly, guys. And you just close this. There you go. It's nice and tight. See that? Hang on, get this stuff down. Close this gate. See that, guys? Should be water. I wouldn't necessarily say like 100% waterproof, but it should keep your stuff in the bed dry, nice, and, you know, secure. Let me go ahead and close this gate, guys. There you go. All done and finished, guys. It's nice. What is that? Oh no, that whatever. Yeah, that's it, guys. That is it. That's how you install a soft tonneau cover on a truck, it's pretty much the same for all truck. Don't matter what brand you got, it's the same process. Yeah guys, nice and flush. Look at that. Alright guys, I don't want this video too long, and anyways guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe guys for my other videos to come.